Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to register face unlock in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone, then go to security and privacy, and here select biometrics, and here select face recognition and draw your pattern for authentication, and now click on continue and register your face. Give your face, make sure your face is no face is detected. So because I am yes 50% detected, yes 85%, wow, registering 90%, 100% registered, yes. And now I am checking. I lock my phone and try to unlock with my face. It didn't match. It's showing that it didn't match. I bring my phone in front of me. Yes, it's opened. So in this way, you can easily register face in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.